Hi everyone, my name is Devin and I'll be talking about the injectable typhoid vaccine for video 2. Okay, so the typhoid vaccine is preventing typhoid fever. So what is typhoid fever? Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi, which is a bacteria. It is spread through the consumption of contaminated food or contaminated water, and it can also be spread between people via close contact with someone who is infected with the Salmonella typhi. Typhoid fever causes fever, weakness, headache, cough, stomach pain, appetite loss, diarrhea, and even constipation. This is treated with antibiotics once the infection occurs, but to prevent it, a vaccine is available. Okay, so there are two different kinds of typhoid vaccines. One is an oral vaccine, and the other one is an injectable vaccine, which is what we are talking about today. This vaccine is called the ViCPS vaccine, and it is an inactivated vaccine, which means that the pathogen is dead. So this means that when they are making the vaccine, they take the live bacteria and they treat it with, the appropriate chemicals and the appropriate culture, and then they heat it. They either heat it or they treat it with acetone, which causes the bacteria to die, and therefore that is why it is inactivated. So the ViCPS vaccine, it is one intramuscular dose, and every 2 years it requires boosters. It is typically given to residents or travelers throughout Africa, South Asia, South America, or the Indian subcontinent. And it's really important for children because they are the most at risk for typhoid fever. So the vaccine, to stimulate the antibodies, to produce the antibodies, when the vaccine is given, the immune system recognizes that there is a pathogen in the body. And so in response, the body induces different cells, like macrophages, that come in and essentially eat the bacteria so that it can then be paired with MHC proteins. And from here, they bind to T cells, which will eventually be how antibodies are produced to protect the body of future infections of Salmonella typhi. Here are my references that I used for this presentation. Thank you for watching.